Let's go into the shop and see what the guys at Outfits Garage are doing.
Well, Friday, me and Matthew got together in between working on other things around and decided we'd set this old BigBlock402 in this 75 Chevy. As you can see here, it's kind of heavy, taking Matthew a little bit to get it pumped up because that's a lot of weight, a lot more than what a small block usually weighs. But we got that big block up in the air, got spun around, having a little trouble with our wheels, our casters on our engine hoist. I'm gonna have to get some new casters for that. But anyway, we got it up, swung, started getting it set over in there. And I'll let you just sit here and watch for a little while as the music plays and enjoy this as we enjoy getting the motor in this truck. Well, as you can see, we've pretty much got it set down in there. With just a little bit more work here, we'll have it set down on the stands. We'll be back with you here in just a moment. All right, guys, back here in the shop, as y'all seen just a little bit ago there, we got the engine in the truck. As you can see, sitting in there. We don't have anything bolted up yet. I got the cross member sitting right there. I'm going to be putting that in here before long. As you can see, the floor is wet. This shop leaks pretty bad that I've got it, and the water runs through that wall. I need to dig a ditch all the way down on the outside of that shop wall there, because everything's on a little bit of an incline right there that goes toward our privacy fence, we have a river that runs through it in here. I'll tell you, it gets wet in here. Plus we got some leaks here and there. So we got out of the shop a little bit ago and went in the house and let it rain. We got a monsoon. I'll put a little bit of that video in right here. We got strong winds and heavy rain. Strong winds. There goes trash can. As you can see, we had a had a monsoon, and the wind blowed like crazy. It blowed part of our privacy fence down. Well, doggies, they said. I don't know if you can see it. It got part of our privacy fence out there. It was on the other side of our chicken pen. We're working on a new chicken pen. And it blew it down. The privacy fence, that is. Between us and our neighbor, and I've already talked to him, and he works at Lowe's, and he said he's gonna bring home the material and everything, and we're gonna get together and put that fence back up. But there's no biggie on that. It's happened before in another spot. But anyhow, I've got to get all of this material back out to Twins Body Shop out there, but I'm getting closer on this. I've got to get a water pump, I got to get a fuel pump, and a set of pulleys, and an alternator. I've got a set of headers coming. I've got a starter. I've got a carburetor. I'm probably going to order a distributor in. I was bidding on an online auction on an MSD box and missed it by $5. So anyway, I got busy working on this and missed the time that it was going to go out. I was going to drop a $5 bid in there real quick, and or even a $1 bid in there real fast right before the end of it, but I got busy and missed it. But that's the way it goes. That's all right. We'll be all right. We'll put a HEI distributor in it or something like that. So I may go over to the salvage yard and get me one over there. But I can buy a brand new one for $60. I'll drop a picture in right here of one, and I think I may just do that and shoot, HEI distributor for $60. Works good in Matthew's little race car. So I'm gonna show you what we got right here. We've got the front bumper and everything. Got some bracing welded in on here. We got some more bracing we've got to put in. Matthew's got some tubes right here we're going to put in from here to the frame right there. I just haven't been out here long enough to work on that. I've been doing stuff on that truck, and I know race season is here and I need to be on this, but I need to be working on this too. So I've only got so much money. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Come on. So I don't have enough to go around, you know what I mean? So anyway, I won't get off here, guys. Been working on chicken pen. I'd rather it be this way. That way the wind hitting it will catch this side and blow over instead of... Been working on a little this, a little that, so I'm gonna try to get back out in the morning and try to do some more on the chicken pen, try to get it finished up. I may try to video some of that. We'll just have to see. But anyway, I got too much work to do and not enough time to do it. And about the time I get ready to do some work, it goes to raining. Well, doggies, they said. And I kind of worked between showers out here today working on this old chicken pen. It was a little building that had a floor in it, and I cut the floor out of it and put 4x4s all the way around the bottom of it, and I'll show you that tomorrow. And it's took me a little while to get that done, but we got it, and now we got it sitting on the ground, and treated 4x4s around it so that we can kind of move it around and get it to where we need it and not rot so fast, you know. So anyway, appreciate y'all guys watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We appreciate everybody that has subscribed and commented and hit that like button. If you'd like to watch these videos but don't have time, just, hey, do me a favor, put it on watch. Click on the video and watch it and set your phone down, go doing something else, and let your phone just sit and play it through. Hey, that's one way to help a feller out, get him some watch hours. And sometimes I'll do that with other guys that I like, and I'm trying to help them get their watch hours up. I'll just put it on play and set my phone down and go about doing what I'm doing, and that gives them the time that I'm supposed to be sitting there watching it. But I'd rather you sit and watch my stuff. But if you've already watched it, go back and watch it again, do that. So it's just ways of building watch hours. So, but anyway, I appreciate it. Share videos. Let somebody know. We're trying to get on up there. Our next goal is 1,500 subscribers. We're already over 1,200, and we're rolling right on. I'm going to try to start putting in some pretty cool shorts on this old 75. I think we're a good looking old truck here. It's a little rough around the edges. Got some battle scars. I see right here where it went through a fence at one time. As you can see, the scratches and stuff. Well, I don't really care about all that. It's got some rust down here. It's got some rust in the rocker panels and the cab corners. You can see right here, it's got rust right there all the way through and down here. But hey, I don't really care. Keanu Reeves likes it like that. It don't bother me a bit. It's an old truck, and I like these old trucks. I like the way they drove. The steering was really, really good on these trucks. For whatever reason, General Motors thought they needed to make the new trucks feel like they didn't have power steering. So they started that in the 80s, in the late 80s, and with the OBS style, they come out with that real stiff steering, and I hated it. And I can remember a truck my dad had. It was about a 75 like this, and it was a 3/4 ton, a C10, 350 automatic, and you could take one finger and turn that steering wheel anywhere you wanted to turn it, and that truck drove great. It rode like a log wagon, but it drove great. And you know, after that, they had to bring out that stiff steer, and they thought it was some kind of safety feature or something. But all I can tell you is it was stiff and tough, and I didn't like it. But we're going back to the old soft steering here, so we'll be good. This old 402 will breathe to life here before long, and I can't wait. So looking forward to it. So anyway, guys, Russell here at Outfits Garage is saying, God bless you. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later, guys, and keep a hammering.
We want to thank you for watching Outfits Garage. Be sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to get all the Outfit episodes. Y'all have a good day.